In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter revenue in Freshbooks. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to record income that doesn't come from your regular invoices, so your books stay accurate and up to date. Let's start inside your Freshbooks account. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, look for the section labeled Payments. This is where Freshbooks keeps track of money coming into your business. Go ahead and click on Payments, and then, along the top of that page, find and select the tab called Other Income. The Other Income area is designed for any revenue that isn't tied to an invoice. Think of things like rental income, affiliate payouts, or money from another platform. Recording these properly helps you see a complete picture of your business finances. On the Other Income page, look for the All Other Income heading. Next to this heading, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus icon to create a new income entry. This opens up a form where you'll enter all the details about the revenue you received. First, you'll see a field for the source. Here, type in where this income came from, such as online sales, rental income, or the name of a platform or program. Use a clear, consistent naming style so it's easier to understand your reports later. Next, choose the income category. Freshbooks gives you a list to pick from, like advertising and affiliate income or other. Pick the category that best matches the type of revenue. Choosing the right category is important for accurate reporting and for your accountant at tax time. Then, enter the date the income was actually received. This should match your bank or payment processor records so your books line up with your statements. After that, select the payment method. This might be something like bank transfer, credit card, cash, or another option in the list. Again, try to be consistent with these choices. Now, type in the total amount you received. Double-check this number to avoid small mistakes that can add up over time. You'll also see an option to assign the income to a client. This is optional, but it can be very helpful if this revenue is linked to work for a specific client. If it's more general income, you can simply leave this blank. Finally, add a brief description. This could be a few words or a sentence that explains what this payment was for. The more clearly you describe it now, the easier it will be to understand when you review it later. Once everything looks correct, click the checkmark icon to save the entry. Freshbooks will now record this as part of your revenue, and it will show up in your reports under the category you selected. And that's it. You've successfully entered revenue in Freshbooks using the Other Income feature.